Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners, for another episode. Today's recipe I found at a thrift store. It is from the Ridgeland Township 150 Years Cookbook from Hemlock, Michigan. And I was very excited to find a bunch of canning recipes I'm going to try out in this book. Here is one I'm going to narrate for you, and then I will show you the finished product later in the year, but I thought you might like a head start having this recipe for your collection too. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. Found this recipe for Semf-Girken, and we're going to go ahead and try it today. 8 large, ripe, yellow cucumbers. Peel cucumbers and remove all the seeds. Cut the cucumbers into long, narrow strips. Salt lightly and let them stand overnight. In the morning, drain well. In a large pan, mix together the brine, starting with 4 cups vinegar and 2 cups of sugar. For spices, add 2 tablespoons of mustard seed. And if you have it, you can optionally add 1 tablespoon of pickling spice. Mix the vinegar, sugar, spices, pour them over the cukes in the same pan, and then cook until soft to a fork test. Pack hot pickles into hot, sanitized jars and let seal. No need to process unless you prefer to do so. This is a hot pack recipe. If you're uncomfortable with that, you may use it as a refrigerated pickle recipe. The comments on this recipe say these are for people who can't allow anything to go to waste. Perfect for us Rebel Canners. If you like our content, please subscribe, and please check out this other video I chose for you. Thank you.